Picture this. You're about to start your day when suddenly your boss emails you a last-minute request. Your to-do list starts piling up, and before you know it, you're already dreading the afternoon meetings. Stress is starting to creep in, but then wait, you remember our video on 7 quick stress busting? It's techniques to transform your stressful day into a productive powerhouse? Now let's dive in. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into 7 quick stress busting techniques that will not only conquer stress, but also supercharge your productivity. So whether you're facing a looming deadline or just need to shake off that midday slump, these techniques are your secret weapon. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit ready to tackle any stressful situation and come out on top. Starting your day right sets the tone for everything that follows. So let's kick things off with a simple yet powerful technique. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and breathe out slowly. Repeat this a few times and you'll instantly feel calmer and more focused. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the stress response in your body. It helps you relax, reducing feelings of being overwhelmed. And here's a bonus. Deep breathing exercises can increase your focus by up to 60%, according to a study by Harvard University. So take a few moments each morning to practice deep breathing and start your day with a clear and focused mind. Step away from your desk and go for a short walk. A change of scenery can do wonders for your stress levels, and a little movement will energize your body and mind. Even a 5-minute walk can help you return to your work feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your tasks with renewed focus. According to a study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, taking a walk can boost your creativity by up to 60%. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. It's all about being present in the moment and appreciating where you are. When you're caught up in a stressful situation, your mind often races to the future, imagining worst-case scenarios and letting anxiety take over. But mindfulness brings you back to the now, helping you ground yourself in reality. Take a moment to observe your thoughts without judgment. Notice your breath and the sensations in your body. This simple act of staying present can significantly reduce stress and help you make better decisions. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that mindfulness-based stress reduction programs can help people cope with chronic stress more effectively. Cluttered space can contribute to a cluttered mind, making it even harder to stay focused and productive. Start your day by tidying up your workspace. This doesn't have to be an all-out cleaning spree. Just take a few minutes to organize your desk, sort through any immediate paperwork, and ensure your surroundings are neat. This simple act can do wonders for your stress levels and overall productivity. According to a study by the Current Psychology Journal, clutter significantly increases cortisol levels, the stress hormone. While an organized environment promotes feelings of control, reducing stress, in today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with notifications and visual stimulation from our screens. While technology is essential, too much screen time can lead to digital overload, straining your eyes and overwhelming your brain. To combat this, start your day by limiting screen time. Avoid checking emails or social media first thing in the morning. Instead, use this time to engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. This could be reading, stretching, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in silence. Gradually increase your screen time as the day progresses, allowing your brain to adjust to the visual input. This mindful approach to technology use will help you maintain focus and reduce stress throughout the day. One of the best ways to prevent feeling overwhelmed is to structure your day effectively. Time blocking allows you to allocate specific time slots for certain tasks, helping you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Start your day by creating a rough timetable, dedicating blocks of time for essential tasks, meetings, and breaks. This approach provides a roadmap for your day, reducing the likelihood of unexpected tasks derailing your schedule and causing stress. According to a study by the University of California, Los Angeles, time blocking can increase productivity by up to 50% and significantly reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Proper hydration and nutrition are key to maintaining focus and managing stress. However, many people make the mistake of skipping breakfast or consuming sugary foods that lead to energy crashes. Start your day by eating a balanced breakfast that includes protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This will provide you with sustained energy throughout the morning, keeping you focused and less prone to stress. Additionally, drink plenty of water. Dehydration can impair cognitive function and increase stress levels. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip on it throughout the day to stay hydrated and alert. Remember, a nourished body and mind are better equipped to handle the challenges of a busy day. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining productivity and managing stress. The Pomodoro technique is an effective method for structuring your breaks. Work for 25-minute intervals followed by 5 minutes of break. During your break, step away from your desk, stretch, walk around, or engage in a quick mindfulness exercise. These short breaks can help you clear your mind, return to your work feeling refreshed, and ultimately improve your focus and productivity. According to a study published in the Journal of Human Performance, the Pomodoro technique can increase productivity by up to 500% compared to traditional work methods. Incorporate calm music into your day to help manage stress and enhance focus. Listening to calming music such as classical or ambient tracks can help soothe your nerves and create a relaxed atmosphere. Choose instrumental music without lyrics, as lyrics can be distracting. Put on a playlist during your workday, especially when tackling challenging tasks or feeling overwhelmed. Music can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promote a sense of tranquility. Expressing gratitude can be a powerful way to shift your perspective and reduce stress. At the end of the day, take a few moments to reflect on the positive aspects of your day. Think about the tasks you've accomplished, the challenges you've overcome, and even the small moments of joy you've experienced. Writing down a few things you're grateful for can help solidify these positive thoughts. This simple practice helps reframe negative emotions and promotes better sleep. By focusing on the good things in life, you'll find that stress becomes less burdensome and your overall well-being improves. And there you have it, 7 quick stress-busting techniques to help you start your day right. Remember, even the smallest changes can make a big difference. So start incorporating these techniques into your daily routine and watch how they transform your work-life balance. We'd love to hear from you. Which technique are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.